program originates from the National Weather Service in Raleigh and is transmitted from an antenna located on Solarlink. Potentially dangerous weather situations or other emergencies, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this program and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. The variability becomes more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for warnings, selected watches, and other environmental emergencies affecting the following North Carolina counties: Alanis, Alexander, Allegheny, Anson, Bertie, Cabarrus, Caswell, Chatham, Davidson, Davie, Durham, Edgecombe, Forsyth, Franklin, Granville, Greene, Gilbert, Halifax, Hardin, Hoke, Iredell, Johnson, Lee, Martin, Montgomery, Moore, Nash, Northampton, Orange, Person, Pitt, Randolph, Richmond, Rockingham, Rowan, Scotland, Stanley, Stokes, Surrey, Union, Vance, Wake, Warren, Wayne, Wilkes, Wilson, and Yadkin. The warning alarm will also be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield and Marlborough, and the following counties in Virginia: Brunswick, Carroll, Floyd, Grayson, Henry, Mecklenburg, Patrick, and Pittsylvania. This includes the independent cities of Galax, Martinsville, and Danville. Repeating, the National Weather Service has just activated the public warning alarm tone in the test of the Weather Radio's warning alarm system. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all unit. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all unit. Station WXL 42, modulated on frequency 166.40 MHz. This program originates from the National Weather Service in Raleigh and is transmitted to the National Weather Service Authority in Greenville, Spartanburg County. The preceding signal words have no weather radio station or the KJ185 public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Today, and receivers performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon if there had been a threat of severe weather, weather can postpone until the next available weather details, including reception of this broadcast, and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability will be more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter and occurs when we're using a good quality receiver to the working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings at 10 miles per hour. Station KJ185, most broadcasting from the North Carolina Coast Patrol Radio Tower located near Statesville with a frequency of 162.525 MHz. The warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, where winds to 10 miles per hour, Davie, up to 20 miles per hour, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Rowan. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards for the weather